Blue Eye Pioneer. The Blue Eye Pioneer was designed by Blue Eye Robotics with the intention of being the world's best professional underwater drone. It's a remotely operated device capable of exploring depths of 150 meters, providing crystal-clear images and video with the help of a 1080p, 30 frames per second HD camera. It was developed for marine biologists, engineers, and welders, but due to its ease of use and fun operation, it has also gained popularity among hobbyists and amateur users. Designed to be durable enough to withstand the worst the ocean can offer, the Pioneer can explore the depths for as long as 2 hours on a single battery charge. You can own the Blue Eye Pioneer at prices starting from $9,878. Power Dolphin. The Power Dolphin features a dual-joint rotating camera with an ultra-wide shooting angle, giving you the best possible filming experience. It offers a 132 degrees to 220 degrees shooting angle, a field of view ranging from 150 degrees to plus 70 degrees, and delivers unmatched above-water and underwater visuals. Powered by a 5,800 mAh IPX8 battery, it provides up to 2 hours of runtime. Its Power Seeker and Vision Plus 2.0 technology offer unparalleled path tracking and underwater mapping capabilities. The Power Dolphin's ability to gather and relay highly accurate scientific data makes it ideal not only for filming but also for FPV racing, fishing, and underwater mapping. It can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour and is available starting at $799. Fifish V6. As the name implies, the Fifish V6 is equipped with 6 thrusters, offering unmatched directional control and freedom of movement, an essential feature for underwater filming. It can perform complex movements such as bow dives, nose tilts, and spirals while maintaining perfect rotational stability. It's equipped with 2 powerful 2,000 lumen headlights for a total of 4,000 lumens, allowing clear visibility even in dark waters. The Fifish V6 captures 4K footage at 30 frames per second and 1080p video at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion shots. It also features an underwater image algorithm that enhances color rendering and supports multiple control modes, including attitude mode for beginners, sport mode for experienced users, and head tracking mode for VR control. The Fifish V6 is priced from $1,599. Beaky. The Beaky Bionic underwater drone was developed to be the ultimate choice for underwater photography, featuring advanced automated balance, obstacle avoidance, and return-to-base functions. It comes equipped with a 4K camera for crystal-clear photos and videos, even in low-light or fast-moving conditions. The Beaky can operate for up to 120 minutes at depths of 196 feet and is designed to swim alongside divers, providing stable footage using a high-definition motion camera and anti-shake gimbal system. It also features 150 degrees wide-angle lenses and dual 114 lumen lights for clear visibility underwater. Its bionic sonar echolocation and built-in GPS give it superior navigation capabilities, all for a price of around $729. iBubble. The iBubble uses innovative underwater localization technology to automatically track and record your underwater adventures. This smart wireless drone can dive to depths of 60 meters and reach speeds of up to 2.2 miles per hour. It's powered by a rechargeable battery and designed to capture professional quality footage with minimal effort. The iBubble uses powerful LED lights that automatically adjust their brightness to reveal the true colors of the underwater world. Equipped with 7 propellers for precise stabilization and movement, the iBubble comes in 2 versions: the standard model for $1,400 and the premium model for $5,400. Novitix Mito. Presenting the Novitix Mito, a remotely operated underwater drone built with exceptional responsiveness and stability. Its unique active stabilization algorithm and 4-thruster design ensure precise depth control and smooth footage capture. Armed with a 4K camera, It delivers crisp video at 30 frames per second and allows live streaming in 1080p via the Novitix app, which includes built-in color correction and instant social media sharing. Two 1000-lumen LED lights provide powerful illumination, while its 4-hour swappable battery keeps it running longer. The Mito can reach speeds of up to 4.5 kilometers per hour and is controlled via a waterproof wireless remote using low-frequency radio signals. It retails for $1,999. Gladius. The Gladius underwater drone is a compact yet powerful device capable of diving to depths of 100 meters and traveling up to 500 meters horizontally. It can remain submerged for up to 3 hours while capturing Ultra HD 4K and 1080p footage in stunning detail, even in low-light conditions. Ideal for scuba divers, underwater photographers, and hobbyists alike, the Gladius features intuitive piloting controls, low-light sensors, and advanced image algorithms. Two 1,200-lumen headlights ensure bright, clear visuals at any depth. Weighing just 3 kilograms and measuring 16.9 by 10.2 by 3.7 inches, it's portable and easy to transport. Its 4 thrusters provide 4 degrees of freedom for precise control, and it comes with a gaming-style controller for smooth navigation. The Gladius is available starting from $599.